Life data and trait recording is a powerful feature of the TW scale. Recording and monitoring of this data has never been easier than on the Gallagher touchscreen weigh scales. Please note that the data recording functionality is not available on the TW1 weigh scale model. To activate life data and traits on your TW scale, you first have to set up the data that you wish to record. Select the Settings tab on the right side of the home screen. From there, select Life Data, Traits or Activities. For life data, you can see we have already pre-activated some commonly used fields. Select one to add them to your scale, or you can create custom data by selecting the button at the bottom right. Firstly, name the life data field you are wanting to record. For example, source farm. Then select the kind of data you are wanting to collect. For this example, we'll use a list of values data field. Then add your options to the list. For example, Farm A and Farm B. Select Done once your list is complete, and select Save to add the source farm data to your options. We also want to add traits to the weigh scale. Select Traits, and just as with life data, we can select from predetermined traits or create a custom one. For this example, we'll measure carcass weight. There are many options for trait type when creating a new custom trait. In this example, we'll record a calculative trait. In a calculative trait, the scale will multiply the weight of the animal by a predetermined number. For example, we want to find 55% of the animal's live weight, so we will use 0.55 as a calculative factor. Now that the life data and traits we wish to record are set up and enabled within the scale, they are ready to be used in a session. Press Home to begin weighing. To monitor and record animal life data and traits during a weighing session, simply start a new session and select the session options to modify the settings. To enable life data and traits for this session, select Traits. The scale will prompt you that all animals must be identified within the session. Select Enable to continue. Now you can select up to 3 life data or trait measurements that are saved into your scale. For example, we will select Source Farm, Condition Score, and Carcass Weight. The order in which the traits are selected will dictate the order that the traits will appear in the weighing screen. Next, we can optionally select if any data should have a default value. For example, if all of the animals in this session were from Farm B, we can set the default for Source Farm to be Farm B, and all animals identified will have this recorded against them automatically. Select Done and then Save to start weighing and recording animal data. You will see the 3 selected life data and trait boxes on the right side of the screen. When we scan our first animal, we can see the source farm, Farm B, has been populated as per our default setting. We can enter a condition score against the animal, and the carcass weight will be automatically determined based on the live weight of the animal. A carcass weight of 15.4 kilograms will be 55% of 28 kilograms based on the trait setting we set up at the beginning. If we scan another animal, again the source farm is defaulted to Farm B. We can change this data if we wish by selecting the source farm and moving it to Farm A. We'll give this animal a condition score of 4 and then weigh the animal to calculate our carcass weight. For help or more information about any screen on the touchscreen weigh scale, simply tap the question mark at the top right corner of the screen. This will display the product manual for the screen you are currently on. No matter where you are or what you're trying to do, help is only one click away.